Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another AFG family video.
I hope you guys are all okay and living the happiest life possible. Guys, today we're going to be playing the Truth or Dare Challenge!
Yay!
This challenge requires a bowl of truth and dares and dare consequences. I mean, honey is alright, but chili, pomegranate juice and vinegar, oh, those are disgusting.
Inshallah you will like it, don't worry. Salam alaikum dostoi aziz. امروز خدا کنه که جور و تیار و صحتمند باشی. امروز گیمی که هستن گیم دمی بول ما کاغذ داریم 12 دونه که 6 دیر است 6 تروت است. تروت که ما هر کس که تروت گرفت او حقیقت خود باید بگوید. اگر دیر گرفت او سرش امو ما امر میکنیم. از اینجا چند چیزا داریم، وینیگر است، شات است، چیلی است، پومگرانت سس است. هر چیز که سرش ما آردر کنیم او باید یک کشو بخوره یا دیگر امر باشه سرش امو میکنم. امی چېلېنجش که شروع میشه از سر بوتل شروع میشه. این بوتل دار میتیم که هر طرف استاد شد امی سرش به هر نفر که خود او از اینجا کاغذ میگیره. هر نفرش 3 کاغذ اجازه داره که بگیره. اما اگر دیر بود اگر تروت بود بیا کدیم ما باشین ببینید که چی میشه. Okay. Guys, every person has right for 3 paper to pick up, no more than 3. So, okay, Amir will turn the bottle. He will start from Amir because he's the youngest of all.
Okay.
Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch.
Daddy!
You know why, guys? Because the color is like my clothes. That's why it turned to me. Okay, guys.
You can pick one from there.
So, guys, as you can see, there's 12. I'm gonna pick up. I hope it is the truth.
Be a dare, be a dare, be a dare. What is it?
It's there,
It's
guys.
a
It's
dare.
there, God. My God.
Look, guys, it's a dare.
My
Guys, should we give our
God.
dad 30 push-ups?
No, that's too little. 9,975 push-ups, I think.
That's impossible.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
That's
if not that.
Okay, Muhammad said 30.
Okay, 30, 30.
Okay.
Because my weight is around 80 kg, so it's not easy to do.
Okay, 30.
And I'm old as well now. No, I'm not young like before, you know. Before 40 years, I could do that. Before 40 years. Now I'm a bit old, man.
Dad, should I pick
Okay,
one
count,
paper?
but don't cheat me in count.
Okay, okay.
I mean,
Sorry, should I pick a paper?
I mean you can count, okay? Okay. 1,
1,
3,
1,
4, 5, 6,
5,
7,
5,
9,
5,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
11,
17, 18, 19, 20,
20,
1, 2, 3, 4,
21,
5, 6, 7,
still 21.
8, 9,
Dad,
10.
you got 9 more to go.
Yeah, still 9, still 9, still 9.
Why we decide for
No, we were
30?
still on 21. Still on 21.
sure?
Yeah, still on 21.
I mean, I told you don't let this cheat me. Count Amir one as well.
1,
2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
23,
5,
23,
6,
24,
7,
25,
9,
26.
Yeah, that's
No,
fine.
there's still 4 more. 4 more, 4 more.
Guys, come boys, come.
Okay.
My dad
will
loves
see.
his muscles.
I will cancel this all, guys. I'm gonna give them worse punishment.
Sorry. That's my
Guys, we're
bad. My
gonna spin
bad.
again.
Okay,
Amir. It's Muhammad. Yes,
There you go.
Amir.
Yeah,
Well
you
done.
honest? Yeah. Okay. So where did I go?
It's good. It's not me to push up.
Guys, I got there!
Yes!
Yes. Okay, what we gonna give?
Pomegranate
Sika?
juice. Pomegranate
I mean, what
juice.
shall we do? Shall we give this one to?
Pomegranate juice.
What shall we do? Chili. Okay, we accept Amir. Amir said to give chili to Muhammad.
Thank you,
Okay.
Amir.
Oh, my
Can I have a
goodness.
hand? Thank you.
Oh my.
Okay, let me give chili. Hold it.
Yeah.
Yay! I'm so happy I never got pomegranate.
Juice.
Okay, Allah.
Yeah.
He has to
Buddy. Here comes the
say it is
choo-choo
nice.
train.
Amir say it is nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Here comes the choo-choo train.
Is it nice?
It's nice.
Mashallah,
it's so
Muhammad is
chilly.
good. He's very good at eating chili. It's nice? Okay, now I'm
Yeah,
spin.
it's so chilly, guys.
Okay, yalla guys, let's start. That's it,
That's
don't touch,
it.
don't touch,
Fine,
don't
fine,
touch.
fine, fine.
Once you spin, you cannot touch again.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up one paper from here, Habibi.
What does it mean?
Pick up.
This one?
Yes, the
Yeah.
one. Yes. Did you put down there, yeah?
Yeah.
The second one. What is it? There!
You should give me honey.
We go with honey because honey cannot take, you know, he's too young, so we look after him with honey. Okay, Amir, you have to finish this.
Okay.
Okay,
If
you
you
want to be
eat-
Spider-Man?
You all went in
You have to
the
finish on one go, all of it.
Oh.
Well done.
Oh my god, guys.
MashaAllah, he got very strong because.
Oh, now it's
sure.
time to Spider-Man.
Oh, Spider-Man
You turn
with
the
his
Spider-Man with
breath.
one spoon
my
honey.
goodness.
Okay, so Muhammad's turn, but don't
Okay.
turn
Okay.
turn slow, spin it slow.
Is it going to
Okay.
be?
Is it gonna be on?
Did you put it there, yeah?
Yeah.
This day tends to be when it starts to slow down.
Amir's second go.
Guys, as I told you, there is only one person can pick up 3 times.
So
So that's Amir's second
And
time.
you have to more go after.
Amir, what is
There!
it?
Yeah!
There again.
I like that the dares
There
are
again.
finishing quickly.
No, we have to
Okay,
check
we'll finish before
with
they
this.
No, maybe we give him another. They're like run around or something.
Okay,
instead of-
Amir,
Yeah.
run around us
5
three
times.
times. Is
Okay,
enough.
3
Yalla.
times.
Don't leave this. You run
I mean, come,
around.
run, help, come,
Run
run
around.
with us.
Don't run.
Run with us.
3 times, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, he's thinking that we are getting him. 1. Yalla, run. 1. Yes.
Guys, this is not our actual running, we're just
3.
joking.
Run. 4. One time more.
Okay, one more time.
One more time. Yes, run.
I got it. Amir won.
So
Yalla, you
fast.
come back to
Come
your
back.
place. Okay,
My
so this finish now. Now Muhammad spin it but slow.
I'm so dizzy.
Muhammad, pick up. Is that your first one?
Yeah, this is my
Okay.
second now.
See.
My second.
Oh yeah, you got she as well.
And he's gonna get
What is
pomegranate
it?
juice this time.
Sajjad, ask him a question.
Okay, is it true?
Yeah, no,
Yes.
that is Muhammad's turn.
Is it true that you love daddy's pigeons?
Of course, they're so beautiful.
Is he telling the truth?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is
Yeah.
she, guys?
Yeah.
He loves my pigeons as me. I love my pigeons. He loves my pigeons. Everyone loves my pigeons.
Because they're so colourful
Okay,
and bright.
I'm
and
going to spin the
absolutely
bottle.
beautiful.
Do you put it there, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that was too much. Wait. Don't touch and move your hand. Yes. It's
Amir's last go, guys.
Amir, that's Amir's last one. So Amir, pick up one. Yes.
Please be a dare. 3 days in a row?
He didn't got the first one there, did he?
I don't think so.
Yalla, Amir, Baba.
Truth. Oh,
Truth.
you got truth.
I think there are no more dares.
Is it? He got
Is
true.
it true?
I'm asking. Amir, is that true that you love? You
Is it
love?
true
Is
that
that
you
true
love
that you love more than Spider-Man?
He loves
Okay, he loves Spider-Man,
He
guys.
loves Spider-Man, so that means it's not truth what he did. He doesn't love Hawks. He loves, but I don't know why he changed his mind. But we will go with his mind because he loves whatever he loves. Okay, now Sajjad's turn. I mean, yalla, Baba.
If the child gets it, he gets a
You
dare.
turn too
Yeah,
fast.
I'm sorry.
That's fine, no problem. We can wait.
So we meet.
Pick up one.
I hope you get a dare, guys.
Yes, I got truth!
Okay, he got truth, so
You want to ask me the question?
yes.
Okay, so can I ask me?
Sajjad, I shall
Okay,
give an
okay, no, you ask me.
Is that true that you love London more than Kabul?
Nope.
Guys.
I love Kabul bull.
He loves Kabul more than London, so it is not true what I asked him.
And is it true that I love this bottle? No. I absolutely hate this bottle.
Yeah, that's Muhammad spin, a bit slow. Spin.
Bye!
How many times I did? 1 or 2 times?
I think it's your.
Oh, guys, it's
That's
truth.
True.
Oh no.
Oh, good.
Ah.
Okay, Dad.
I'm pretty sure this is just Daddy, okay?
Daddy, you're right.
Yes.
Dad, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Is it true that you love Messi is it true that you love Messi more than Ronaldo?
Do I love Messi more than Ronaldo?
Yeah.
Not at all. I love Ronaldo.
Yeah,
Ronaldo.
Best footballer in the world.
CR7.
CR7.
CR7. I'm return.
Wait, do I just see how many?
Four left.
Oh, 4.
Isn't
Amir!
but I guys told you that every person know Amirjan. Everyone
sorry,
has 3
Amirjan.
times, okay?
Finish.
You spin the
You're done.
bottle so someone else has
Yeah,
to pick
spin the
up.
bottle again.
Spin the bottle. No, you cannot do
Yep,
it pick
spin
up.
the bottle again.
You finish your turn slowly. That's it. Leave
Okay,
it.
they're going
Okay.
As I said that only one person can pick up 3 times. Oh, it's Sajad.
Okay,
It's Sajad. It's Sajad. It's
Me.
Sajad. Okay.
This
many
is
times
just
you pick
second
up?
good.
This is my second go.
Okay. Let me see what Sajad has.
I got another true.
Another true. Okay.
Okay.
Ask him a question.
Okay. Is it true
Yeah.
that you love your dad more than your mom?
I'm gonna
No
catch
comment.
him now,
No
boys.
comment. No comment. I love both of them, but I can't. If I can't go for both of them, no, I can't pick any.
No comment. Comment. No comment. No comment.
I'm going to have a chat with.
No,
this
he
bloke
loves me
after
more.
this video, honestly.
Guys, listen to me. He loves me more. He loves me more.
Fourth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, now we're gonna spin. Amir gonna spin the bottle again. Amir spin the bottle.
Spin.
We're getting more chances that because he doesn't have more. Sajad again. Sajad pick up 1.
I hate that bottle.
So Sajad has the last chance.
Wow, it's a dare. It's a
Yeah.
dare.
It's there.
Honey.
No. Muhammad.
No, pomegranate. Vinegar. I'll take vinegar.
Vinegar is good. Vinegar is good.
I'll take vinegar.
Guys,
over the pomegranate.
he's sarcastic. This is sarca.
I haven't had a hospital vinegar
What do you
though,
have
so I don't know how it tastes.
Okay, help me.
More.
That's it.
That's enough.
He's sarca.
Smell it.
Vinegar.
because that's smoking.
White vinegar.
The way that went down my throat.
That was a good one. Thank
It
you.
doesn't. Oh my god! It doesn't taste bad, but it tickles my
I hate
throat.
the smell of
It's
vinegar.
bad, it's
That's
bad, it's
not
bad.
right now.
Guys, how many numbers left for you?
I have one more. Sajad's done.
I'm done.
Everyone's done. Just me and you.
Between me and Muhammad left. Okay. So we
Oh
turn.
my goodness.
Wait. Don't touch. That's me.
That's bad.
Okay. So last one is 1. I'm gonna pick up 1. The last one after me, Muhammad, without bottle spin, he will pick up that one.
Yeah.
Whatever. It's true again. Okay. Guys, ask me now.
Okay. Daddy.
Okay,
Now I'm
after
going
this.
to give you this question.
Yeah.
Who do you love more? Your mum? Sorry. Is it true that you love your mum more than your dad? I'm going to put him in the same position I'm
Guys, let me tell you something. Everyone loves their parents, mom and dad, but mom is a bit special than dad. Always. Because whatever mom does for the kids, for the children, dad doesn't do. Dad does a lot more than mom, but which the children cannot say it clear. So everyone is saying mom, I will say no comment. I love both my parents and I love my dad. Allah give him Jannah. Firdaus, he passed away a long time ago, and Allah give long life to my mom, and she's live. I love her so much as well. For
And
me
we
at the
love her
moment,
too.
I love my mom so much. She's my mom and she's my dad. Guys, as you can see, the last one left, but it will be definitely there because Muhammad's left. So let Muhammad, I will open it for him. As you guys can see, Muhammad is there. So now we're gonna give him. I mean, what should we give him? Pomegranate.
No, please. No, I mean, say no.
Say yes.
No.
Please.
No.
Yeah, we won.
It's confirmed.
Yeah. So now, that's the last spoon. Amir, help me.
Oh.
Not too much, not too much.
Fast, fast, fast,
No, wait, wait,
fast,
wait.
fast, 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 fast.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a lot.
No, that's enough. You get double because
Here
you're
comes the
chubby.
choo-choo train.
Yeah. You got
Here's
it?
the choo-choo
Yalla.
train. Open
Mama,
wide.
yalla kalbi. Hey!
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Like it?
Yes, you nice? Was it
Nice.
good? Okay. Anyway, it's over now.
Yep.
Guys, as you can see, the game is finished now. A lot of their order was on Muhammad. He did a lot of things. He tried chili, he tried pomegranate, he tried I think something else as well. But anyway, guys, as every day in video, my children is asking for subscribes. Today, I'm asking for subscribe. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. And as my children are getting very happy for that. Thank you so much. And now Muhammad will give a message.
So guys, if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to smash the notification button.
Yes.
And Didi, I'm gonna say it again. We love you so much.
Guys, this was special for my mother, that we love my mother as well. I love you, mom, as well. Yeah,
We love you
Mom.
all. Bye.